Guys, today is election day, and maybe because of election, we have some movement in BTC, which I'd like to have a quick update. Over the couple of days, we see that after this movement up from somewhere around 11,000 to 13,000, BTC has been rather directionless for some days, and then there was an attempt to rally, but then it gets smashed down again, and it has been pretty directionless until 31st, and there was an attempt to break 14,000, but then it came back right down again. So as you can see, these two support level, yesterday it almost broke this support the second time. I mean, the first time it touches, the second time it almost broke. And then I was rather worried because had it broken, I may have to sell my BTCs. 2-3 hours ago, BTC broke this resistance level, and then this is the hourly chart. It has broken the resistance level, and then it becomes more bullish in the short term. I'm still hoping that it will break 13,800 for me to feel more urgent. Looking at the weekly chart, we have this inverse head and shoulders, but then there's no guarantee that when there's an inverse head and shoulders, you'll see a big rally. It only means that there's a high probability that we can see a big surge ahead. There's always a chance of a retest to the support level, and sometimes it will just break the support, and then there goes the bullish formation. So what I plan to do is not only am I looking at the weekly chart, I will also monitor the hourly chart, the daily chart, and then of course the hourly chart. As you can see, there's not much we can decipher from this daily chart. Let me just zoom in a bit more. But we can see something in the hourly chart, and of course it's just a short-term chart and then hourly chart, and there's not much weight to the direction of the movement, but it does give an advanced indication of which direction is heading towards. Looking at this, it has broken from the resistance level, so that means in the short term I will expect this to be bullish. I'm not going to do anything with this information. That means I'm not going to buy more BTC or do any trading. I think as of now, it can just help me sleep better holding BTC. Whereas if it has broken down the support level, I'll probably sell and go to sleep. Something like this. So there's still some time before we know the results of the election, of the US election, but I have absolutely no idea how the outcome of the election will impact BTC in the short term or even the long term. So for BTC, for cryptocurrencies, I'll rather just base on technical and trade accordingly. If it breaks the resistance, I'm going to sell. If it breaks the resistance, I'm going to hold. If it breaks the support level, I'm going to sell and move to other commodities, probably silver, and I will do another video tomorrow about this.